Now I want to cover the 4 elements of a perfect Facebook ad. First, you have the visual element, then the relevance of the ad itself, a value proposition, and finally, a call to action. One note on text on an image: Facebook won't approve an image that has more than 20% covered by text. So this is a nice tool provided by Facebook, facebook.com/ads/tools/text_overlay. So you can upload an ad before you upload it to Facebook to check to make sure it only has 20% of the image covered by text. Because you don't want to go through building a whole ad and just have it disapproved because over 20% of the image is covered by your text. But as you saw in that Fabletics image, basically if it's less than a quarter of your image is text, you're usually pretty good. But this is a nice tool in place if you want to check your ad.